We're on our way to the NOPSI Hotel in the New Orleans Business District. Normally we wouldn't go quite so fancy, but we had some credit card points to use. Daniel's driving me to New Orleans to go watch the Labyrinth for the live symphony because I'm a grown woman who loves puppets.
It's a little bit weird.
It's not weird.
Good, eh?
It's awesome. Yeah, it's just like an adjoining room. Oh, it's a closet. Very nice. You can do it.
Nice. Got enough for time to go get a drink.
Yeah. NOPSI stands for New Orleans Public Service Inc., and this building was built in the 20s, and it used to be the gas and electricity company back then. The service was great, the room was clean, the AC functionality was iffy, and the bed was mid, as the kids say these days. Of course, you can hear some traffic outside, but that's going to be anywhere in the city. I think this is the most spacious room we've stayed in outside of a resort. There is valet parking here. I think it's $48 per night, and bring some cash for a tip. I also read that there's a $25 property fee here. They took my card for incidental, so I guess we'll find out later whether they charged me for that or not. We're here to see Jim Henson's Labyrinth with a live concert accompanying the film. And if you love that movie like me, these guys are on tour, so you can probably find them in a city near you. We were going to stay at the Roosevelt, which is a Waldoft Astoria hotel, and it's right across the street from the Orpheum. We didn't have quite enough points to cover the night there. I still had to go in the lobby and see what I missed out on, and that was a lot of Gilded Age opulence. That's what I missed out on. So I highly recommend just taking a tour of the lobby in there. It's really cool. We found the bar inside the Orpheum and partook in some local fare, that is Abita Amber and Zapp's potato chips, although they didn't have voodoo flavor, so I was kind of bummed out about that. We got here early, but this place ended up pretty packed later on.
Say hi.
Say hello.
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 I knew this movie had a cult following, but I honestly didn't know it was enough to warrant an entire tour with merch and people dressing up like the characters.
You have no power over me.
What you got? Zapp's Mesquite Barbecue.
These are some really talented musicians. I do recommend you go out and see this show for yourself if you love this movie like I do. It was fun to watch everybody react to every scene in unison because everyone had seen this movie so many times before. Back at the NOPSI, we decided to check out the Rooftop bar and use our 2 wine vouchers that we were given upon check-in. This is on a Tuesday night, so I'm sure it gets way more lively up here on the weekends. T-Swizzle. Apparently T-Swizzle's coming to the Superdome this weekend, so Daniel, give me your best T-Swizzle impression.
No, I don't want to do Shake It Off.
Well, do whatever you want.
I don't remember the rest of them. I want like an old country
I just know the one where the goat goes, trouble back. And now we go back home again, a little bit worse for wear. What else can we expect from New Orleans? Thanks for joining, and see you again next time.